Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many Brother Printer users face, the close ink cover error. If you've seen this message pop up and can't seem to get rid of it, don't worry. I've got a simple step-by-step guide that will help you fix it in no time. Method 1. Turn off the printer. First, start by turning off your printer completely. Sometimes errors clear up when restarting the printer. Method 2. Open and close the lid. Next, open the ink cover and close it a couple of times. This helps to ensure that the sensor that detects the lid position is working properly. Method 3. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove dust. Now, grab a vacuum cleaner and use it to carefully suck up any dust or debris around the ink cover. Dust can sometimes get in the way and cause the sensor to misread. Method 4. Blow away dust with compressed air. To make sure we've cleared out all the dust, use some compressed air to blow away any remaining particles. Be gentle and focus on the areas around the ink cover hinge and sensor. Method 5. Use clear tape. Use clear tape to hold the ink cover steady. With prolonged use, sometimes the ink cover lock gets loose. Using the clear tape help hold the ink cover in position. See demonstration. Method 6. Brace the ink cover. Brace the lower right corner of the ink cover. This will prevent the cover from moving and solve the ink cover problem. See demonstration. Method 7. Contact Brother Printer Service Center. If all of these steps haven't solved the issue, it might be time to contact your nearest Brother Printer Service Center. They'll be able to provide more advanced support. And there you have it, a few quick steps to try before reaching out to support. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. See you next time.